The RideMETRO app for your smartphone is an all-in-one toolkit with everything you need to ride Metro bus and rail services. If you're a new rider, the Learn How to Ride section explains services we offer, payment methods, and how to pay when boarding. You can plan a trip directly in the app, or in one tap, link to an interactive map showing nearby buses and trains. Once your trip is mapped out, you can immediately access our companion mobile ticketing interface. Here you can purchase mobile tickets for local bus and rail services, or park and ride services. Your phone is now your ticket. As you board a local or park and ride bus, just show it to the operator. If you're riding METRORail or METRORapid, show it to a fare inspector on the platform. It's a contactless fare payment. You can even use the RideMETRO app to track your bus. Just select your route. Tap to find your stop number, and then text it to us. And we'll text you back the predicted arrival time of the next bus for all routes that stop at that location. Download the RideMETRO app from the App Store or Google Play and see how easy it really is to ride Metro.